Whenever you're doing hundreds of thousands of parts or even tens of thousands of parts, every single weld can make a significant difference on how much the total cost of production is. And if you have long weld time, where maybe it's something that's like a 5-pass weld and you have to weld a 20-foot long weld, those type of welding processes are people welding on the same thing for day in and day out. And the optimization of like how much weld you're using within a process like that can be very, very critical. And especially with the long weld time operations, because a lot of times guys who are doing those long weld time operations are just laying bead, you know, I don't want to say they're not necessarily worried about like how much material they're using. They're probably more focused on how do I get the best quality that I can out of this weld and just making sure it's a good, strong, sturdy weld, which you can also accomplish with robotic welding. And I would almost argue that you could do it even better. But then the next thing that you have is going back to how the robot is so consistent. After you've gotten the robot doing a weld, right, it just accomplishes the weld